Colorado Youth Outdoors, our campus exists right in the heart of northern Colorado.
Today we're out planting trees here in Fort Collins, Colorado.
What Noble Energy has been able to do here the past 3 years has enhanced their programs and really affected every single group.
It's awesome to just have that energizing power to bring back to the community, and it's just fun.
It's nice to be able to come out and just do something that's really going to make a positive impact.
An in-kind gift like we received from Noble Energy is the only way that we could do what we do.
And they see the support that Noble gives. It really resonates with people that Noble's not just an oil and gas company, but we are a community service company.
There's a word that we like to associate with relationships, and that's being a neighbor.
Being a Noble neighbor means coming out into our communities because we recognize that giving back is a value that we need to support.